Ay, pursok.
Opo. Okay, press 5.
Ayun, pero ayun sa tamugan.
Sige naman.
Oh, ayun ba?
Kaya napasay pulso mo ako yung ako yung ginawa akin kung napasay pulso. Sir, tapagi ko support siyang ulo sir. Paliho ko sir. Kunita yung ulo diya sir, sir. Kunita ha. Jadi, ito ginagaya ko bilis. Request na request. Sir, paliho ko. Sir, kumain sir. Straight yung lawas din sir. Straight yung lawas. Yeah, very one, two, up. Ayo, kunita yung ulo. Kunita yung ulo.
Kuniti lang yung ulo, kuniti lang.
Support na yung ulo, sir. Isa ka pa dong dito, sir. 1, 2, 3. Anak.
Wala may card.
Sir, are you okay? Talk to me. Ay, yung ulo. Sir, stable lang yung ulo, sir. Anak. Kunita lang sa kulay.
Gamay butangan sa ulo.
Okay. Sir, dili ka, sir.
Pagto ko ng cellphone di charge, magbularo ko.
Kaya po, para sir
Wait,
po.
tagay ko uling kuranan, ma'am. Okay.
Kanang na mailipit siyang tiil. Di butang na ulo.
Just breathe. Sir, kunita paliho.
Kaya mo nito eh.
Yeah. Feeling better now? Follow my breathing. Inhale. Slow. Inhale. Slow, slowly. Inhale. And slow. Inhale. And slow. Good. Just keep it up. Just breathe for me. Just breathe for me, okay? Good. Inhale.
Kaming na?
Good. That's it. Don't worry about your eyes. It's okay. It's okay. Control na. Ayun, diyan naman. Okay. I'm a trained first aider now. Just follow what I say, okay? I'm gonna put down your legs and I will try to lift you up and just lean on my legs, okay? So the blood will not go through your head, okay?
Mas karin.
Down. Sir, stable lang ang head. Ato siya. Okay, don't push yourself. Okay, just let me lift you. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, up. Okay. Okay, good. Just talk to me. What's your name?
Pagnaon niya.
Yeah, Michael. Give me your hand, Michael. Squeeze my hand, Michael. Squeeze it high. Tighter, Michael. Luya na. Okay, tighter, Michael. Talk to me, Michael. It's good. Don't go. Just let. Kinaya ko lang. Remove your sandals. You want to remove? No, just leave it. You don't want to remove.
Pagnaon.
Like ko, clean cloth, palihaw, clean. Kana limpyo nga palitan. Don't worry. Okay, I will not let. Uy, ayaw nag-init. Init, ma'am, init. Huwag na ako kailangan, ma'am, palihaw.
Pagnaon niya.
You take your medicine if you have something to do.